Hi. So I have written this Unity project, and with this, I have written this uh, Arduino program. So right now, I don't have an Arduino, but I have this robot which has Arduino in it. So what I have done is that if Unity serials and if from Unity, if I receive letter R, so if this motor starts running, and if I send another letter, then it starts to stop. Motor will stop. So this is the Unity project, and in the project I have write this C sharp script and this port name. So currently the port name is 2, port 2. So if I start this project and if you look at the console and if I write if I type 1, so it starts sending. If I type 0, then it stops. 1, 0, and it's because here I have written this condition that if the input get key is 1, then it sends Arduino to R, which is equivalent to sending R. When the R is received here, then the motor starts running, and if it receives any other letter, then stop. So what you can do is replace these conditions here, and if the game quits, then you can send one letter, and if the game